UVM acquired the George D. Aiken Forestry Sciences Laboratory in South Burlington in June of 2013. The Forest Service and the Rubenstein School now share both the office and lab space. It was initially built by the Forest Service to research sugar maples, and it actually opened as the Sugar Maple Laboratory in 1973.
The architectural design of this building causes it to be a huge energy hog. After looking over historical data from the past 4 years, we decided energy could be conserved and savings could be made.
I'm Claudia Lawton, and I'm a senior at the University of Vermont studying environmental science.
Hello, my name is William Boyles. I'm a junior studying at the University of Vermont, and I am majoring in environmental science.
Hi there. I'm Grayson. I'm a sophomore in the Rubenstein School, and I'm studying environmental sciences, and I like trees.
Gary, Holly, and Carl Wheat organized this energy audit, which was conducted by Rich Walbeck, who you see here in the hat.
Oh, didn't see you there. This is one of the first things we did on the energy audit. This vending machine has been unused for so long. I don't think it's been refilled in years, and it's just been running and running. And so we first met in here with the auditors, and we just unplugged it right away.
All right, so this device is helping us do the plug load analysis. So what we do is we take a piece of equipment, plug it into it, and then plug it in the wall, put it on watt, and then when it's not in use, usually an object might use something. So this is using 3 watts, so that would be its ghost load. But then when we turn it on, it'll usually start using a lot more energy. So right now it's shooting up to over 1,500 watts. So that's a big difference.
This is a map of the main building. On the outer ring are the offices for the UVM and Forest Services. In the center of the building are the labs. These labs house a variety of different experimental equipment, which require a lot of electricity.
This is one of the lab rooms at the Spear Street building. This is a fume hood. I'm sure you're all familiar with fume hoods, but pretty much they run all the time and they use a lot of electricity. You can probably get a more updated version, but that would cost way too much for our budget, so we'll probably just let it. So these lights are actually going to be switched out for LEDs. I'm not sure if we're going to switch out everyone or just the ones that are on right now.
In our initial run-through of the building, we noticed gaps underneath doors and windows. Since the audit, we've replaced these gaps with a rubber seal that will prevent heat loss. Attached to the side of the building is a greenhouse used all year round for UVM research.
So this is the heating system for the greenhouse. This fan draws all the heat down, and it's on all the time, even in the winter. And it's not a variable speed motor, so it's always on at this speed. And Rich Walbeck has generously decided to donate a variable speed motor, so we'll get that switched out pretty soon, and that'll be a good savings. All right, so this is the boiler room, and these 2 bad boys are the boilers. They're actually pretty efficient. So there's not that much that we can do for this room, so that is a plus. So these are the walk-in freezers. Right now the air intake is up above, and so it's just drawing in the air from inside the building, and so it's drawing in heated air and then cooling it down to 30 degrees. And so we are going to move the air intake outside where it can just draw in cool air in the winter and probably cooler air in the summer as well.